This is the all-new Apple Watch Series 6, and with Apple's improving approach to packaging and waste materials, the unboxing experience is slightly different from before. Apple's recent packaging is mostly all card and held together using a series of folds and catches, ensuring there's no excessive use of plastic or tape. Once it's opened up, we get a peek at the contents. On the Series 6 you get a card sleeve with the usual quick guides in it. Underneath that there's the charging cable with a magnetic charging disc at the end, but key is the fact that there's no power adapter in the box. Apple has ditched those. The watch itself is stored inside a protective sleeve designed to keep it shiny and scratch-free during transit. This particular model is the new graphite-coloured stainless steel in 44mm size. It's one of the new colours this year. This version also ships with the standard black rubber strap, but of course that'll be different depending on which you order. You can choose from any number of different styles and colours. Once clipped into place, the setup process is pretty easy. The phone detects the watch nearby, then you launch the watch app to complete the pairing and set it up. You can change settings like font boldness and set up the blood oxygen readings and emergency SOS and Apple Pay. If you have an old Apple Watch backup, you can choose to restore that too. Now, as for the watch itself, it's very similar to the Series 5. Design-wise, nothing has really changed except for a couple of new colours and lots of new straps. It has the new sensors and uses green, red and infrared LEDs on the bottom for measuring blood oxygen saturation. There's also electrodes built into the crown on the side for measuring electrical signals from your heart. The always-on screen is now brighter so you can see it more clearly when you're outdoors in daylight. Workout tracking is more accurate than before too, and even features an always-on altimeter for when you're climbing or hiking. And with watchOS 7 there are new watch faces, more complications, and of course sleep tracking. We'll bring you more coverage of the Series 6 as we review it. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you again in the next one.